Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so let's add in the h4 header. Simple enough. Close off the tag. We're going to add an unordered list. So ul. Remember, to add a list item, you add li. We're just going to call this list item. And then, of course, we have to close off the tag. And I'm just going to copy that twice, just so that we can have more than one list item. And we're going to go unordered list and close off that tag right there. We're going to make an h3 header. So h3, and we'll call this header 3. And of course, we are going to close this off. Okay, and now we need to make an ordered list. So ol, and since I already have the list items in my clipboard, I'm just going to copy them right there. Right, and ordered list, list item, and of course, we need to close off that tag. Right, and that's all I asked you to do. So I think that should be it. So we have the header 4, list item, and then the ordered list. Perfect. And that is the answer to the solution. Now